This is Dr. Michael Green. I'm the Chief Medical Officer of Winona. And today I'd like to discuss what are the best strategies of improving energy and sleep during the menopause transition. And these are really very related. Honestly, if you don't sleep well and you don't get quality sleep, your energy levels are going to be down. Energy levels can be down in and of itself from the menopause transition, but mostly I think the sleep issues are the biggest thing to blame. Anytime we talk about fixing symptoms of the menopause transition, the right answer is to deal with the root cause of the problem, which in this case is a decrease in hormone levels during this transition phase of your life. And the best way to do that is with bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, which we provide at Winona. Replacing hormones is going to give you back good sleep. It's going to increase your energy and you're going to feel better. And that's really going to be the best way to do this. There are other things that you can do to help your sleep. We so-called sleep hygiene, things like decreasing caffeine intake, particularly no caffeine after lunch. Don't eat a heavy meal before bedtime. Exercise during the day will help increase your quality of sleep at night. Use your bed only for intimacy and sleep. Don't watch TV or read in bed. These are all important things that can help increase the quality and the amount of sleep you get, which in turn will increase your energy. But the bottom line is the best way to fix this problem that's caused by the menopause transition is to fix the root cause of the problem, which is by using bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. Thanks.